Welcome to my channel. Virgin Media Wi-Fi Pod Setup. Step 1. Check what's inside the box. Before you begin, open the package and make sure everything is included. You should have Virgin Media Wi-Fi Pod. Quick Start Guide. May vary by package. The pod does not require any Ethernet cables or separate power adapters because it plugs directly into a wall socket. Step 2. Check your Virgin Media Hub. Before installing the pod, make sure your Virgin Media Hub is working properly. The hub should be powered on, the broadband light should be solid, your internet should already be working on your phone or laptop. If the hub is offline, fix the internet connection first before setting up the pod. This ensures the pod can connect successfully. Step 3. Find the best location. Choosing the correct location is the most important part of the installation. A good location is about halfway between the hub and the room with poor Wi-Fi, in an open space, at least 3 to 6 feet away from large electronics. Avoid placing the pod behind furniture, inside cabinets, near microwaves, near cordless phones, behind TVs, next to metal objects. In the garage unless necessary. A better location usually gives much better speeds. Step 4. Plug the pod into the wall. Insert the pod directly into a wall outlet. Do not use extension leads, surge protectors, multi-plug adapters. Using a direct wall socket gives the pod the best performance. Step 5. Wait for the LED light. After plugging it in, the LED will begin flashing. This means the pod is starting. Leave it alone for several minutes. Do not unplug it during this process. The first startup can take longer than future restarts. Step 6. Automatic pairing begins. The Wi-Fi pod automatically searches for your Virgin Media Hub. You do not need to enter a Wi-Fi password, press any pairing button, connect any Ethernet cable, configure settings manually. Everything happens automatically. Be patient while the pod connects. Step 7. Allow time for setup. The pairing process usually finishes within a few minutes. During setup, the hub and pod exchange settings. The pod copies your Wi-Fi network. Security settings are synchronized. The pod prepares to extend your wireless signal. Leave both devices powered on until the process finishes. Step 8. Check the LED status. Different light patterns show different stages. Flashing light, the pod is connecting. Solid light, setup is complete. The pod is working normally. No light, the pod may have entered power saving mode, which is normal after setup. If the light keeps flashing for more than 15 minutes, restart your hub and try again. Step 9. Install the Virgin Media Connect app, optional. Although not required, the Virgin Media Connect app makes setup easier. The app lets you view connected pods, check Wi-Fi coverage, test broadband speed, find the best location, run network health checks. If you're unsure where to place the pod, the app can provide useful guidance. Step 10. Walk around your home. Now test your Wi-Fi. Take your phone into bedroom, upstairs hallway, home office, kitchen, backyard. If applicable, open several websites and stream a video. If everything loads quickly, the pod is working correctly. Step 11. Run a speed test. Run a speed test before and after installing the pod. Compare download speed, upload speed, ping. Remember that the pod mainly improves Wi-Fi coverage and stability. Your internet speed cannot exceed the broadband speed provided by your Virgin Media plan. Step 12. Move the pod if needed. If the signal is still weak, move the pod a little closer to the hub. Even moving it by 5 to 10 feet can noticeably improve performance. Try a few locations until you find the strongest signal. Step 13. Add more pods for larger homes. Large homes may require more than one pod. Extra pods can help cover multiple floors, long hallways, large living rooms, home offices, loft conversions. Each pod expands your Wi-Fi coverage further. Step 14. Connect your devices. Reconnect or test devices such as smartphones, laptops, smart TVs, gaming consoles, tablets, smart speakers, security cameras. Most devices will automatically switch to the strongest Wi-Fi signal as you move around your home. Step 15. Test seamless roaming. Walk from one room to another while watching a YouTube video or making a video call. your device should automatically move between the hub and the pod without disconnecting. This creates one continuous Wi-Fi network throughout your home. Step 16. Restart everything if necessary. If something doesn't work, unplug the Wi-Fi pod, restart the Virgin Media hub, wait until the hub is fully online, plug the pod back in, wait 10 to 15 minutes. This fixes most setup issues. Step 17. Common problems and fixes. Problem: pod won't connect. Solution: restart the hub, plug the pod closer to the hub, wait at least 15 minutes. Step 18. Tips for better Wi-Fi performance. Place the pod in an open area, keep it away from metal objects, avoid placing it near microwaves, don't hide it behind furniture, restart your hub once every few weeks, keep software updates enabled, don't unplug the pod unless necessary, keep the hub in a central location, minimize interference from other wireless devices. Your Virgin Media Wi-Fi pod should now be fully installed and providing stronger Wi-Fi coverage throughout your home. If you notice weak signal in another area. Thanks for watching.